Namaste. So I came to Akshi 3 months back, and I started my classes 1 month ago, and it was a really good experience because I feel like family. The one thing that I love about this place is that whatever favor or whatever you ask your teachers or anyone, they never say no to anything. They always have a solution to any of your problem. And after starting my yoga classes, so I was taking medicines for like 12 years, but within the span of less than 1 month, I was able to slowly quit all the medicines. I started to feel not only healthy physically but also mentally. 3 years ago, I started forgetting who I was, but now with the physical stability and mental stability, I'm able to realize myself, like who I am and who I want to be. I'm slowly learning it, but it's a worth it experience. You feel like family, food is really good, teachers are really supportive, and thank you.